I'm actually already in the trade. Did some top down analysis. I did some analysis last night a little bit, and I was waiting on these two trend lines to break. I don't know how clear the screen is, but you can see these two. Yeah, but that trend line and this trend line, I was waiting on price action to break. It broke here on that one this morning sometime. It attempted to break this one twice so far, but we had some rejections right here. So now we're just going to wait and see if price can go ahead and push itself past that trend line for today. Give us some downside. Price action is below two POCs. We have like double POCs down here. They're older. It's not a newer one. Let's see if we throw a new one in there if we get scared. Yeah, another one. All of our POCs, our price action is below the POC. Price action is below the MAs. The mic might be too close. I'm not even sure. Price action is below the MAs, and price action. Actually, I want to draft out some. Yeah, so of course the first target profit would be the bottom of this zone, which is 1922. And we have some friction over here that we see in the chart. So yeah, we can get to. Let me put a line of demarcation, as they say. This was actually, I feel like this was it. Let's see. So yeah, that's a zone we could be eyeing potentially to see once this level right here breaks. So I want that to be clean, y'all. Let me get a cleaner line. So yeah, once we break that, then we see what we could do. I might close my smaller trade since it's a little bit further down than my first ordeal. In my second take. I took a really good one up here. But my first one, I got in the trade to go ahead and get ready for this fall that it was setting up for. I believe it was setting up for. Yeah, I closed that one because that one was pulling back. So we can always add another one. So that one was still in profit. So yeah, this is where the friction is coming from too. So yeah, this is what's giving us this. It's a support, so it's pushing the price back up. But I just want to use it as a way for me to figure out if it comes back near to this MA, I could potentially add there. That would have been the proper way to add, but I had added late in the game, y'all, or early in the game because I was early to the trade. So let's just still watch price action, see what price action wants to do. They go a break. What is this? That's on the 5 minute too. Let's go to a higher time frame over here on the side. Yeah, I like watching the 30 minute over here. Look at all those wicks it's about to eat up. Like munch. But there's always a possibility, y'all, of it reversing from any of these 2 points. There's 2 points here tried to break before, here and here. So I know you can see. Well, you can't really see the wicks on the video from what I can see. But it's one of those. How low can you go? How low can you go? Today's low though has been 1922. And as I was showing you, we have this trend line we're approaching, and here these two. I didn't get to add my extra lot size, y'all. I didn't get to add it, but it's okay. So approaching that first zone, first TP, They broke past it. It even broke past our trend line. And now it's giving up the goods, y'all. We'll still have here. Cause y'all know this market is crazy. Look at all these. It could do anything. I didn't get to add on though, y'all. So womp womp. But we'll take it. It's a winning trade. We're not gonna be mad at it. I did blow my no over trading rules last night. Mad at myself about that. But I don't know, sometimes I feel like I have to get a loss off to like perform better. It's very weird. I need to get past that. I shouldn't have to lose to be great at this, to myself. Probably could have figured out places to add. Yeah, the 3 minute. You're breaking this structure right here. Let's see if there's a place to add. Okay. Just based on looking at our points that it seemed to be breaking through. Just based on that. If we're wrong, we're wrong. We can exit. But let's just see. 5 minute like is reversing. Okay, so maybe it wasn't a great place to add. And this would be like our add-on guy here. Okay, it wasn't a terrible ad. It gave us a couple extra dollars so far. Okay, we got a nice little push. I can imagine traders looking to go to the body of this. Okay, some more push. The first one you close is the add-on. So like last in, first out type of thing. Because when it pulls back, you know what I'm saying? All right, we're covering like a lot of ground now. And it's not done because we've exceeded our target. Let's close our last out because we don't want to be greedy balls. Okay, we're not greedy balls. And then our initial, let's close half of that. Because we have got like most of our, that's our whole TP is hit. We made back our losses from yesterday. Praise God. Or from last night. Praise God. This is actually my full, I don't know, y'all. I keep kind of nailing this, these supply and demand zones. Because that's what it took. It took that whole supply and demand zone just now. Good thing we exited too out of our add-on. Bulls didn't like that. Bulls popped back. They said, hold up. Y'all taking too much from us. You're taking too much. I don't like watching on like those shorter time frames because they be giving you false love. So this may be a no man's land in this arena, but it did pull it just back to this trend line and our break right here. So let's see how price action reacts. I don't think it's a full out reversal, even though that's a very, very hard, it's a hard rejection wick where it pulled that far back up. But, yeah, see, that would have, looks like y'all don't hold me. But it looks like right here would have been, could have been rather, an add-on position, add-on place. You know, I'm not adding on no more though, y'all. I done did my work for the day. As far as that, I'm still holding the little. We have a little small quarter left in here, 0.25. So yeah, that was a full reversal here. Um, we got our fall past our goal, and then it pushed right back up. But I mean, like our goal, the second add-on was here, first trade was here, and then price action went here. So are we upset? No. I mean, it pushed all the way back to where we got in at, like a full 360 almost. So um, I'm just thankful for the trade. It brought our account higher than where we were yesterday from it. So bye. Oh, and it's 6:11. This is the market ain't even open yet. So bye.